ARCO is one of Finland's largest architectural firms. We are covering pretty much all construction types, from daycare, shopping centers, hospitals, high-rises, landscape design, urban developments, and we have 100 experts working for us all over the country. As we all know, our business sector is under an amazing pressure to transform our built environment towards a more responsible and sustainable future. ARCO has been very active to take on new scopes, new tasks in order to find answers for that. Understanding the source of carbon emissions in our project has been very important for some years now. ENVI-met is an advanced microclimate simulation tool, and it can be used to analyze environmental impacts of our design. It works on a master plan level, but it can also give in-depth data of a much more detailed, smaller area, for example, a courtyard. The fact that the software allows us to model true building shapes and apply materials to them, to model soil types and plants, is very powerful. We have just started a new commercial project in Asia, where ENVI-met has been already integrated into our design method. We are reviewing the potentials of lowering the heat island effect due to green facades and green roofs. But it's also really important to simulate the wind, especially in key outdoor areas like entrances or public terraces. On the Finnish market, we are starting to use it for urban development projects. But it's also an extremely interesting instrument for ARCO's landscape architects. They finally can review the impact of the soil conditions and the suggested vegetation versus the local climate. A data-driven tool such as ENVI-met can give us indications whether we are on the right track towards sustainability or not. All of this is very important to us and for our clients.